story tonight, the big political surprise that's coming in from the Indian National Congress. That's the story that we are tracking at the moment because the big story that's coming out is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will now contest and make her election debut from the Congress. Rahul Gandhi has given up his Wayanad seat, has picked Rai Bareli instead. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra entering electoral politics. She will fight the Wayanad by-poll now that her brother has given up that seat. The announcement coming this evening after the Congress's top leadership held discussions at party president Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. Rahul Gandhi says he has an emotional connect with both the constituencies and that he will continue to periodically visit Wayanad. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said she will continue to help Rahul Gandhi's efforts to restore the Congress's prestige. Listen in to what was said.
बड़े सोच समझ के हमने ये तय करा कि वायनाड से खाली सीट पे प्रियंका जी लड़ना चाहिए और इसीलिए हम पार्टी के ओर से और मेरे ओर से उनको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि हमारी बात को उन्होंने रखी है और माना है दोनों ने, इसीलिए मैं आपके सामने आके डिक्लेयर कर रहा हूं.
I have an emotional relationship with both Rai Bareli and the people of Wayanad, and the last 5 years as member of Parliament of Wayanad have been a fantastic experience, a very enjoyable experience. The people of Wayanad stood with me. The people of Wayanad gave me love and affection. Every single person, regardless of party, they gave me support, love and affection. They gave me energy to fight in a very difficult time. So I will never forget that. I want everyone in Wayanad to know that Priyanka is going to fight the election in Wayanad. But I am going to be a frequent visitor to Wayanad, and I am going to be available to the people of Wayanad, and the commitments that I have made, we will stand by them and we will try and deliver all those commitments. She's going to fight the election. I'm confident she's going to win the election, and she's going to be a very good representative for the people of Wayanad. People of Wayanad can think about it like this. You have now 2 members of parliament. One is my sister and one is me. And my doors are always open for you throughout the rest of my life. And I love every single person in Wayanad.
भैया की मैं मदद रायबरेली में भी करूंगी, और जैसे इन्होंने कहा हम दोनों रायबरेली में भी हम दोनों मौजूद होंगे और वायनाड में भी. दोनों को 2 सांसद मिल रहे हैं. सिंपल सी बात है.
Okay, let me first get the very latest from Rahul Gautam, our correspondent who tracks the Congress at the moment. He's at the Congress headquarters. Rahul, was this anticipated, or has the Congress party also been taken a bit by surprise?
Well, it was anticipated, Rajdeep, that Rahul Gandhi is going to retain Rai Bareli, given the fact that Rahul Gandhi will be taking forward the political legacy of Sonia Gandhi, and essentially a message would be sent to the voters of northern part, and particularly of Uttar Pradesh, that gave maximum seats to India bloc, including Samajwadi Party and Congress Party. Apart from this, Rahul Gandhi has been saying that it was a very difficult decision to leave Wayanad and retain Rai Bareli, given the fact that it was Wayanad that ensured back in 2019 that Rahul Gandhi goes to Parliament and represent Congress Party at that point of time when he lost from Amethi, by Smriti Irani. So clearly, and in fact, many people are saying that this is a well-crafted strategy wherein now Rahul Gandhi would be focusing more in northern part of the country, while Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be representing Wayanad. We have to really understand that this has been done also to ensure that 2 Gandhis go to Parliament now in Lok Sabha to corner the government on the issues, which means that there is going to be a better coordination, better floor management for Congress Party, and they'll be certainly using their oratory skills to corner and to attack government in the upcoming days. And that's the strategy of the Congress Party, to keep 2 relatively younger Gandhis in Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha, we all know that Sonia Gandhi will be leading the charge. So clearly, it was anticipated. It's on the, must-thought lines that...
Rahul Gautam, I have to stop you at this moment.